Hey YouTubers, this is Danny Zen coming to you live from the Northern Hemisphere with sunrise number 62 or 63, I forget. Listen up, this topic's going to be going over sleep. If you're having sleep challenges like I am and have been, I want to give everybody a free copy of how I solved my sleep problems or solving my sleep problems, okay? It's 30 tips to fall asleep, stay asleep, and wake up feeling totally restored. Okay, all you have to do to get this document on Google Drive is to log into your Gmail before visiting tinyurl.com/helpmesleepnow. Okay, again, instead of relying on sleep medications, sleeping pills, whatever, go to T as in Tango, inyurl.com/helpmesleepnow. Okay, want to feature a handful of products. Number one, since you can get some free products, this is an amazing something called the Amethyst Crystal Far Infrared Biomat. That's BIOMAT. I've been using it since 2012. It's about a 1-inch thick pad, about the size of a massage table. It's actually an FDA registered medical device. It's durable medical equipment, over the counter. You don't need a prescription for it. And it's even FDA approved for the temporary relief of minor muscular back pain, minor strains, muscle spasms, the temporary increase of local blood circulation, the temporary relief of joint pain associated with arthritis, and the last FDA approval is for the relaxation of muscles. Okay, those are actually FDA approvals. I can claim to say those things. Okay, you can learn more. It's even actually so cost effective at relieving pain. It can even be fully paid for under car insurance's personal injury protection coverage, PIP coverage, after a motor vehicle accident, if you have a doctor's prescription along with a police report. Okay, and even workers' compensation, as well as health savings accounts or flexible medical savings accounts. Okay, learn more, since it's helped over 1 million people worldwide since '97, including acupuncturists, chiropractors, massage therapists, personal trainers, all kinds of healing arts people, body workers. Okay, just go on over to linktree/biomat. That's L as in Lima, INKTR.ee/BIOMAT. If that link doesn't work, you can go directly to bio-mats with an S.com/Danny. That's B as in Bravo, IO-mats.com/DANNY. If you have any product and or business opportunity questions, it's just an $80 one-time lifetime registration fee to become a Richway distributor like myself. By the way, it is $2,050 for the massage table size Biomat Professional. That includes the lower 48 state U.S. ground shipping. Okay, and just contact my colleague who is Richway. That's the name of the company, Richway and Fuji Bio, out of Honolulu, Hawaii. Their #1 distributor, Mr. Ron Guerra. His mobile is 303-915-7707. Again, if you need help with ordering or product or business opportunity questions, call Ron Guerra at 303-915-7707. Okay, I'm going to cut this video short because I hate holding an electromagnetic field device like this smartphone, and it's dehydrating. Okay, and I also want to be walking the talk. Very briefly though, second thing, you guys gotta check out a free book titled Health and Light by the late Dr. John Ott, who did some groundbreaking work for Walt Disney Company in the 50s with time-lapse photography. You'll learn about quote-unquote malillumination. Again, malillumination. Okay, and you'll see why maybe light is even more fundamental than air and water. I know that's hard to believe, of course, but if you don't see the light or reset your circadian rhythm like I am, and you don't get sleep, you could die. Maybe not quickly or slowly. Okay, so to get a free copy of the Health and Light, and also learn about the world's first true full spectrum LEDs, light emitting diode bulbs, that actually is balanced with 5 different wavelengths of near infrared and a trace amount of ultraviolet A. Okay, it's a pretty penny compared to normal crappy junk light LEDs, but it's going to be well worth it. Okay, it can even be possibly paid for by your health insurance company if you're diagnosed with seasonal affective disorder known as SAD. Okay, under therapeutic or light therapy, okay? Head on over to linktree/full-spectrum-LED to learn more about solshine.org's 3 different products, okay? That's actually a non-profit. Again, the link so you can have healthier light, okay? It's the highest quality LEDs I've ever seen, okay? That's L as in Lima, INKTR.ee/full-spectrum LED. And to save 10% off of your either bio bulb, is there it comes with a clip-on, or their floor lamp model called a telescope, or their light panel for SAD. I think it emits almost 15,000 lux, okay? Go to my SolShine affiliate link, which Sol, by the way, stands for Science of Light, and as you may know, in Spanish, Sol means sun, okay? So go to bit.ly/full-spectrum-LED. You'll save 10%, or you can just manually enter my code Danny when you check out at solshine.org, okay? Again, my affiliate link is B as in Bravo, I Israel T Tango.ly/full-spectrum-LED. If you have any questions, you can contact me. Leave me a voicemail at my landline number at 786-441-2727. Again, that's 786-441-2727. And lastly, if stress keeps you up because your bills are piling up, rising energy prices, as always, make sure you go visit my company. You'll learn how to reduce your energy bills by up to 80% without a single solar panel, since I'm America's energy conservation efficiency expert. And that is onehouseoffthegrid.com. And get off your butts. Let's go do something. Well, I go fundraise a couple $100 million to run for Congress in order to get the Energy Innovation and Carbon Dividend Act passed, since nobody else is doing anything. And again, the greatest threat to our planet is the belief that somebody else will save it. Again, the greatest threat to our planet is the belief that somebody else will save it. Any billionaires that happen to be listening to this video, give me a call. I need some startup capital for my online infrastructure for my nationwide net zero energy consulting firm. Again, that is ONE, houseoffthegrid.com. My landline number is 786-441-2727. Again, that's 786-441-2727. Ladies and gentlemen, if that link doesn't work, you can visit linktree/onehouseoffthegrid. It will take you directly to it, okay? That's L as in Lima, INKTR.ee/ONE, house off the grid, okay? If you have any questions, want to join me as my client and or what I call utility bill freedom consultant, just email me at onehouseoffthegrid@gmail.com, all letters, ONE, houseoffthegrid@gmail.com, okay? Let's go do something, guys, and be the change that you wish to see in the world. Look forward to getting your help to achieve my company's mission of shutting down 241 coal-fired power plants, and I look forward to helping you decrease your stress caused by personal finances, with all the things previously mentioned, okay? Take care, everybody. Be well. If you guys do schedule a net zero energy consultation on that Google form, just leave me a voicemail letting me know the date and approximate time of your submission, okay? So since I don't check emails regularly, be well. And I don't know what Mr. I forget his name is, of Patagonia, but I thought you were deadly serious about climate change. If you are deadly serious about climate change, give me a call, and I'll show you how we can speed our country's transition to clean, renewable energy, okay? Take care, everybody. Be well. Bye. One last thing. If you want to have better sleep by having better indoor air quality, check out the link in the description below this video for a game changer in the cleaning industry, okay? It's just truly amazing. Let's get rid of the world of toxic cleaning chemicals, okay? This is a EPA registered, Environmental Protection Agency registered, and USDA certified organic line of sanitizing, disinfecting products that are non-toxic and safe. Learn more by visiting linktree/safe sanitizer, okay? Again, that's L as in Lima, INKTR.ee/safe sanitizer. That link doesn't work, go directly to bit.ly/tryhypo, okay? That's B Bravo IT.ly/tryhypo, so you can earn extra money, reduce your stress, and maybe sleep better, or at least get some products to have better indoor air quality so it won't affect your sleep, okay? If you have any product and or business opportunity questions with the Hypochlorous company, since they've got the a shelf-stable hypochlorous acid, which is 120 times safe, more powerful at destroying germs than straight bleaches, but it's safer. Contact my Hypochlorous Company affiliate sponsor Lori Gagan on her mobile at 219-789-7180. Again, that's 219-789-7180. Just tell her Danny Zen referred you, okay? Or give her my discount code HowToDieOfNothing. Okay, that's HowToDieOfNothing, which you can also enter on their main site to save 10%, and that's tryhypo.com, tryhypo.com. Take care, everyone.